I hear you want to make flowers. Let me teach you.
So, I make a lot of different flowers over time for Philippa. And as you can see, each one's very different from the other. So this one was my first one, and if you look from the front, it looks good. But when you look at it from the side, it doesn't look like much. Same thing with this blue one here. So the blue one looks nice, but then not so much from the side. And then I made this white one, which looks much better, and then this camo one, which looks a little better. Okay, so here we have 1, 2, 3 points that it kind of starts off with. Each part of the flower is going to be just these 3 parts, right? And it's a lot easier to see with the pink ones. So you have 1, 2, 3 pink points. And these are going to be exactly the same height. So you start off with 3 in the middle, and they're going to kind of create a triangle of sorts. Now these first 3 I didn't do very well, but the second 3 create this triangle. They're all the same height. Well, the ones behind that, as you can see, it alternates in colors, is these purple ones here. Now the purple ones are going to be in similar line with the other purple ones. So this first purple one here is in front of that one, but then this one starts to go, it goes up and it starts to go that direction, as you can see there and there over there, right? So they start to kind of turn. Same thing with this purple to these, it starts to turn behind it. So in order to do that, what you're going to do is every time that you place something behind this one, it's going to alternate. So we have 1, 2, 3, but then this one is going to be in between the 2 points of these two, the pink one, and that's going to alternate in direction. And then from there, you can start going left and on your first couple, and then right on the next few. And it'll give it a really cool circular rotating look, especially when you use different colors. Another thing that should be mentioned is the height and how to set up the height so that it goes the best direction. So first you're going to start off with it very low and close to the pencil. Okay? So it's going to start off very low, close to the pencil, and then it slowly gets higher and higher and higher and higher. And when you get to a certain point, you notice it actually starts to go down. And it goes down, and then suddenly it goes up. The last 2 rows are higher, much higher, and extend out much farther, and it gives it more blossoming type of look when you do that. So you want to make sure you go up and down and then higher. So up again in order to make it look like it's going out, kind of like a blossom. Yeah.